Okay, love bugs, Cheetah Beauty Hair sent me over this Body Wave 24-inch P1B 99J wig, and I am getting all the feels. Now this one here is a lace frontal, but she's a free part, so you can part her down the center, side, deep side, half up, half down. Hence the vibes we have going now. I love the color on this one. I love the vibe of this one. So today we're going to be doing a very quick, simple, easy, beginner friendly, no mess, no stress install. And to set it off, we're going to add some curls using the Tymo Air Wrap. So if you're interested in this bad boy, you can kind of see how she works as a flat iron as well as a curling iron all in one. And then of course, I went ahead and did an extra style with this beautiful half up, half down vibe. And I just love the look all together. So if you want to see how we got the look and the style and the vibes, keep on watching. Okay, love bugs, face is sitting today. I think I am back normal. Actually, my favorite foundation, the Gucci foundation. I need to go get another one, but I haven't had a chance to hit Sephora. But I tried to like pump it to be funny, and 2 pumps came out today. So I love my face today. So today I'm super excited. We're gonna play in color. This one is nice and full. I love the wavy texture, and we have the reddish color highlights in there. Super fun. I got this top on that I've worn like 150 times since YouTube gifted it to me, and I think it's gonna pair well. What do you guys think? So as I mentioned, this one did come from Cheetah Beauty. This is a frontal, a full frontal, so you get all of this parting space, and it's a free part, which means that you can part it anywhere you want. And in the back you have a smaller comb, adjustable straps, and you have a little bit more lace, so we'll cut that off as well. Then in the middle you do have that adjustable and removable elastic band. Adjust or remove at your own discretion. And then to line the back of that lace, we did get combs, 3 of them. So we have 2 on the sides, 1 in the center. So 4 total, including that one at the nape. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tags and cut off the excess lace in the back, adjust the straps and the elastic band. And let's go ahead and put her on. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like on. So far so good. I love the color combo on this one. Sometimes it can be nervous or nerve-wracking having like a color combo, but it's blended in so well. It doesn't have that splotchy vibe, so I love it. Here's a look at the hairline. As I mentioned, this is a lace frontal, and it's like the full frontal. You get all of the lace, so it's from ear to ear, but you're gonna cut off. They have it set as a center part. It is actually like a perfect center part, so I don't even want to disturb that yet. This is what she looks like from the back. Okay, so this is what it looks like set as a center part. But again, there's so much parting space that you can go over and do like a deep side part. Like all the way over here. Or you can do half up, half down. Whatever you choose. Okay, so you guys are shaking a little bit. Don't worry. Settle down. Settle down. I'm going to go ahead and pull the hair back. And we're going to go ahead and remove the excess lace up front. We did already remove that excess lace in the back. And then we're also going to bond her down really nicely using a non-glue adhesive like this one here. Of course, everything we use is listed down below. So let's get it. Okay, change of plans. I think I'm going to start with the dynamic duo. I think cleaning up the parting in the hairline will make everything just go even better. So let's go ahead. I think, yeah, let's do the wax stick and the hot comb. Get that nice and smooth, and then we'll come back and decide what we want to do next. Okay, quick check-in. You guys seen I did the dynamic duo, and you can tell the difference. I love wax and hot comb, hence why I gave it its own little cute name. And then I went ahead and cut off the excess lace, and I cut off everything around the ear, but I also cut off the ear tab. Be sure to keep that on if you want that big baby hair effect here. But I kind of just, you see, like right now it almost fits like glueless. I hate to call a frontal glueless because frontals, I'm not saying they can't be glueless, but like there's nothing holding them down, you feel me? So it's not glueless, but it fits seamless, it fits flat, it fits smooth. And so I didn't want that ear tab there that has to be like annoying in my opinion, and needs or requires me to bond it down every freaking day. So I am gonna pull the wig back a little bit. I'm deciding if I want to do baby hair or not. This forehead looking like I need baby hair, but I think I'm gonna do no baby hair. I'm gonna channel like my Young Miami or somebody like that who don't, like the girls who don't like the baby hair look today, and see how it goes for me because I am a baby hair girl. We're gonna work that in, we're gonna blow dry it down. Okay, now let's bond down the sides. Okay, so now for the ends, we're gonna do the Tymo Airflow. You guys know I purchased this in, I want to say February. We've been giving it a shot. I kind of want to add a little product, but because we did Dynamic Duo along the top, I don't want to make it too weighed down because this hair has some color to it, and I find that like the color pieces be looking real streaky, real easy. So let's go ahead and just do some curl action and see what we can come up with, and then we'll tint the lace and remove the milk belt. Hold the phone. I was watching YouTube. Now, I have been back and forth with whether I like this thing, but this might be transitioning into my favorite. No product on the ends. And I went in and did a curl, not too big of a piece, I guess you can say. And I think I love her because you can get the flat iron effect, meaning like sometimes when I use this, it'll straighten down, but this is an actual flat iron with the flat iron plates. So it's like right here, I just want this part to be flat, right? Like a flat iron it, then I can start twisting it into a curl so that up here can be nice and flat and smooth, because I don't need the curls too high up, but I still, you know what I mean? Like I don't want to have to flat iron the hair first and then curl it. I want to do it all in one heat pass. And she's smooth, like wow. Okay, so we just did a whole lot of styling. Working on the front, I am tempted to do, of course, baby hair, but I'm not. So let me go ahead and tint the lace before I finalize. We're gonna do 15, shade 15 from Ruby Kisses. This is the cream foundation, and I like to pack that in to kind of like match my skin tone a little bit. Like that, and of course I'll blend it out. This is a deeper shade, this one is my contour shade, and it'll probably work perfect in the hairline. And she's also giving me signs that coming on 6 years. Okay, love bugs, I am back vlogging and it feels so good. So today, this one here is going to be styled as a half up, half down. This is what it looks like, as just some beautiful bombshell curls. But I realized I kind of want to do it up. I did do a little finesse baby hair right here in the center, but I kind of wanted to just keep all the hair forward. But if we're gonna do a half up, half down today, I kind of sort of gotta have my little bangs, my bangs. So I'm gonna section those out really cute in the front, and I may have to recurl them. And then I'm going to, lately I've been liking to do my styles with no defined parting on the sides like this. But do we want to do half up, half down, or two ponies? like it. Okay, so we decided on a half up, half down. Now ideally baby hair, because the hairline is pretty full, so I do want to kind of sort of just make it a little bit more my style, like that. Okay, so this is the final look and the vibe.